Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today we are looking at the altcoin of the week and this time it is Ethereum. So we are looking at the weekly time frame chart of the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto. Let me just take you towards this analysis a little bit deeper so you can see why this altcoin is the altcoin of the week. As you can see, we just recently has been moving higher on the Ethereum from the roughly level of 1523 towards over the 2000 tethers. 2395 was the high made on the beginning of the December. As you can see, this movement to the upside has apparently broken above the last swing high. Let me just mark it for you. This swing high here, for example, located roughly around 2131. So right now this level will act as a technical support. You can see this level was tested in 2022, then it was tested in 2022 again, then 2023, and then again in 2023, again in 2023. Some kind of a triangle pattern was made here, and then we got the breakout. And what is more interesting in this pattern, in this movement to the upside and the recent developments, is that we tested it this week as well, and as you can see, this is very nice bullish candle, up candle, green candle, and it looks like this pattern forming here is called bullish sandwich. So we got a new swing high, movement to the downside as a pullback or correction, test of the last important broken technical resistance now becomes support, and then bounce to the upside again in order to continue the preceding movement, right? So the movement is to the upside, so we are now trying to close the weekly candle very close to the last week's high. So if we can make it, it looks like we can, because this pattern here, the potential bullish sandwich, is a bullish pattern, bullish continuation pattern. So if we break above this swing high 2395, then the next target, I have to zoom out again, then the next target is located way higher. Look, the next target is here, 3571. There is almost no technical resistance, and then there wasn't any technical support in 2022, so there's no technical resistance in 2023. So it looks like if we keep move to the upside, and in that kind of manner, this is impulsive decline, so we need impulsive increase. 3577 level is in view. It will take some time because this is a weekly time frame chart. It can take months, 6 months, 3 months, I don't know how much, but it looks like when this pattern is confirmed and we will have a big amount of the green candles doing the impulsive movement to the upside, 3577 tethers is the next target for bulls. So very interesting indication here just from this weekly pattern can be drawn. On the lower time frames, if we take a look, we can see the breakout, recent breakout. Let me just play with the chart. Look at this. It's a very interesting situation here as well, when we got some kind of a breakout above the trend line. So if we take a usual trend line, nothing fancy, and we get it here, we can see very nice breakout to the upside as well. So it looks like the market breaks and confirms the breakout to the upside. Well, the day hasn't been closed yet, and the daily candle hasn't been closed as well, but it looks like the bulls want to get towards 2395 whatsoever. We are already trading above the 20 moving average, right? And the 20 moving average is providing very nice channel for the technical support at these times, right? So it looks like very nice movement to the upside, and of course on a weekly time frame chart it's even better. So we are trading way above the 20 periods moving average. So right now, if we got this kind of a chart, we can say that the movement to the upside is still in progress. It's developing. If we eventually add some kind of a let's say momentum indicator to see how strong the momentum is, you can see we just bounced from the level of 50. So the market tested ABC correction to the technical support at 2131 into the neutral conditions and bounced from this level here of 50 on the RSI, bounced from the technical support, broke above this trend line, and it's heading higher. Everything on this chart from a bullish point of view, from a technical point of view, is simply bullish for the coming days. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.